Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to get TradingView for free. So first, you need to go to your browser and search TradingView. Then after that, you can now see the homepage of TradingView. Sign up for a free TradingView account. Go to the TradingView website and sign up for a free account. This will give you access to some basic features like including limited number of charts, indicators, and tools. Then upgrade to a pro account with a free trial. TradingView offers a 30-day free trial of its pro account, which includes more advanced features such as more charts, more indicators, and more tools. To start your free trial, simply select the Pro account option when signing up for TradingView. And last, participate in the TradingView referral program. TradingView offers a referral program that rewards users with a free month of Pro membership for any friend they refer who sign up for a paid account. This can be a great way to earn free access to TradingView's premium feature. And that's how to get TradingView for free. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.